Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Shimmers and Polishes. If you're new here and if you're anyone who loves eye makeup, nail art, crocheting and DIY videos, then you're at the right place. So welcome to Shimmers and Polishes. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it for notifications. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you yet another easy eye makeup look with shimmer and some pop of color. So if you're interested, then please keep on watching it. To begin with, I'm going to prime my lids with LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige. I'm going to blend that all well with a beauty blender, and I'm going to set that in place with Colourpop setting powder in the shade translucent. For this look, I'm going to use the Morphe's 35H hotspot palette and the color called Pool Floaty. I'm going to apply that all over my lid with a finger, and then I'm going to apply it with a brush. So once you're happy with the color payoff, you can stop it right there. And for the transition, I'm going to use 35H hotspot palette and the color called Ocean Dry. I'm going to use that as my transition shade so that I can blend that well and it looks all seamless. I'm going to reapply that shimmer shade with my finger for maximum intensity of that color. I'm going to use Sugar's brow definer in the shade Cherry Brown, and I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows, and I'm going to brush that all in place once again. For the next product, I'm going to use LA Girls concealer in the shade medium beige to cover my under eye dark circles, and I'm going to blend that all well and set that with Colourpop's setting powder in shade translucent. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use Rimmel's 2-in-1 liner in the shade called Cool AF. These are eyeliner and shadows, that's why they are called 2-in-1, and I'm going to create a nice crisp wing. I'm taking my time. I don't know why it's just looking blue, but it's actually purple. I'm going to use Maybelline's Gigi Hadid's eyeliner on my upper waterline, and I'm going to use Nika K's Royal Purple in my lower waterline. I'm going to use that beautiful purple shade from the same palette on my lower lash line. First I used a lavender shade, but it wasn't that great, so I used a darker shade. I'm going to use the ripple effect from the same palette as my under the brow bone highlight and my inner corner highlight as well. I'm going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to apply loads of mascara. You can add falsies if you would like to. Guys, this is a very easy makeup look, easy, colorful, so perfect for any occasion, so you can give it a try. And this is the final look, you guys, perfect for any occasion. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel Shimmers and Polishes, and follow me on Instagram as well, and please show some love to my channel by subscribing. And guys, there are many more short videos on my channel for eye makeup, nail art, etc. So please go and watch those videos and show some love. Until next time, bye, take care.